Thank you so much for having me once again. I think that we are back in the game. You know that we lost to this team away 1-0, and it was a bit of a revenge game. And we also wanted to bounce back in the game because we were number 4 and we were number 3, and if we lost the game, probably would be out of the competition. So we needed the win, and the boys put a very strong fight. You saw the first half. In the earlier minutes, they were a bit nervous, so we conceded another goal. But good enough, we were able to bounce back until we won the game 2-1. So we're a bit now confident that going to the next game, we are able to pick other points and secure our place in the second round.
How prepared are you this time? This is a stubborn side, so you won it.
Yeah, they lost here, but we know that they are slightly a new team in the league and have something to prove. I know that they have also done well in the previous game against IUIU, who are the top leaders of this group. But we go with a positive heart because we just want to pick the 3 points. I am sure that the boys are aware of that, and given an opportunity, we shall be able to put a good performance.